Hi, I'm Devin. This is my animal cell. This is the nuclear membrane, which I represented with a strainer. I chose a strainer because the nuclear membrane only allows some things through, like the strainer. This is the nucleus, which I represented with a CPU. I chose a CPU because the nucleus is what tells everything else what it needs to do, like a CPU keeps a computer running. This is the chromosome, which I represented with hair. I chose a hair because both chromosomes and hair have DNA in them. These are the ribosomes, which I represented with bacon bits. I chose bacon bits because ribosomes produce proteins, and bacon is protein. This is the endoplasmic reticulum, which I represented with a pipe. I chose a pipe because the endoplasmic reticulum is a passageway that carries things from one point of the cell to another, which a pipe also does with water. This is the Golgi Body, which I represented with the faucet. I chose a faucet because the Golgi Body connects the endoplasmic reticulum and sends all the stuff in the endoplasmic reticulum where it needs to go. This is the vacuole, which I represented with a toilet. I chose a toilet because vacuoles hold the cell's waste, while toilets hold our waste. This is the mitochondria, which I represented with a battery. I chose a battery because mitochondria is the energy producer, and so are batteries. This is the lysosome, which I represented with a recycling bin. I chose a recycling bin because lysosomes take all of the worn out parts like a recycling bin. This is the cytoplasm, which I represented with soup. I chose soup because cytoplasm is a fluid that has stuff floating around in it. Soup has the meat and vegetables in it. This is the cell membrane, which I represented with a colander. I chose this because the cell membrane only allows some things through it, just like a colander only allows liquids through it, but keeps the fruit in. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you agree that the items I used represent their cell counterparts.